Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry, I know that I've been MIA for the past 4 weeks. It's just been really busy, and I am just been getting home really late, and I don't have lights, but I finally bought lights, so I'm very excited. So I have no excuse. Anyhow, today I'm coming to you with an unboxing. I was going to kind of try and update you with the purchases that I've made during the past 4 weeks. However, my SA called me yesterday. 2 items came in, and I want to show you right away because they just released, I believe yesterday or Friday, I'm not sure. And I want to show them to you so that if you like them and you want them, you have an opportunity to get them as soon as possible. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, I hope that you consider subscribing. Go ahead and click on the button down below, and also click on the bell so that you can be notified for future videos. With that being said, let's get started. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen a picture. What I bought came in this humongous bag, and it's 2 items. Oops, and I have them right here. One comes in this small little box, and the other one comes in this big old box. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the first item. Here is my proof of purchase, and I bought this from the Aventura store. Okay, so this little cutie here comes in this drawer box. She is wrapped very nice. Pull out the drawer box. Inside we have the little dust cloth. And before I show you, let me just tell you, this item is new, just released. I found out about it through my friend LalalovesLV, and immediately called my SA. This one is gonna sell fast, so if you're interested, you need to go ahead and call your SA. To reveal the absolutely adorable Zoe wallet. So this is a brand new wallet. It's called the Zoe. This particular one that I picked up is in the empreinte leather, and it's in the rose poudre color. Now, let me go ahead and show you the wallet, give you some specifications, and then I'll let you know what other colors it comes in. Okay, so it has the beautiful gold colored hardware right here in the front. It has obviously the empreinte leather with the embossed LV. It has a slip pocket in the back, so you can go ahead and either stash some cash or credit cards or insurance card or something back there. Opens up, and it's just like this. This is, I love this style, okay? So this to me is a mini Victorine, and I'll show you. But anyhow, it has, let's see. How many card slots does it have? It actually has 3, it has 4 card slots inside. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has right here the opening, so you can go ahead and keep your bills right here, and you don't have to fold them. It's got the really cute zipper pull right here, so if you want to hold your coins, you can. Inside we have the textile card. Would be better if I put it in English. So it's all cowhide leather. And we also have the product information, and I will go ahead and link all of this down below for you. So here you can put your coins. I don't like to keep coins there because I keep them in my round coin purse. However, if you want to, you could. This one says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And let me also give you some detailed specifications right from the website. So according to the website, this is 3.7 inches by 3 by 1.2 inches. And it has 5. Now it says it has 5 credit card slots. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only see 4. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm not sure what they, oh, okay, I get it. They're counting the back pocket, sorry. So that's the 5 credit card slots. So it does have 5 credit card slots. Well, it says 1 flat back pocket on here, which would be this. So I'm not quite sure where the 5th one is. I'm going to be honest with you, because you cannot, this is sewn shut, so you can't put anything in there. And yeah, so I am not sure what, unless they're counting this right here as a credit card slot. To me, it's got 4 credit card slots and then the back slip pocket right here where you could also put something. So yeah, that's what it is. It is absolutely adorable. Now it's already on the website as call for availability. So if you're interested, you need to go ahead and call your SA right away. It comes in this empreinte leather rose poudre color, and it also comes in the monogram print with, and this part right here is kind of like the rose poudre color also in the regular leather. So that's the 2 combinations that it comes with. As far as I know, that's what I was able to see. So anyhow, so let me just give you an up close and personal view. And again, the inside, and I love, this is the setup that I like for my wallets. I used to have a Josephine wallet and I loved it. I also had a Kenneth Cole wallet, a large wallet, and I really loved it. But once I bought the Victorine, I really have never used those anymore. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna give you a quick comparison to the size of the Victorine. So here you have side by side the Victorine and the Zoe. And as you can see, the Zoe is smaller, quite smaller than the Victorine. And show it to you with this one. There you go. So I love the setup. This I think will be perfect for your smaller bags. This one actually fits almost anything. That's why I love it so much, and that's why I have it in two different colors. But this one's even more compact, but still gives you the ability to have your bills laid out, which is what I like. I don't really like to fold bills, although I don't carry that much cash anyway, but still. So this one is more compact. You're still going to be able to have your bills lying flat, and you still have the ability to have some credit cards, and if you really wanted to, you could have some change. So this is an adorable wallet, and like I said, it's already showing call for availability, so I would really jump on it. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, and I'll be happy to try and help you. But this is the beautiful Zoe wallet that I picked up yesterday. Okay? All right, so let's move on to the other item. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the next one, which is right in this big box. And these, by the way, are 2 unboxings. I bought them yesterday, and we got home really late because after I picked up all these items, we had a family barbecue to attend, so I didn't get home until about 10:30 at night, and at that point, I didn't open anything. So I'm really going to be unboxing it and looking at it at the same time as you are. So anyhow, let's go ahead and slide the ribbon off. And here it is. Let's see if we can. And I had no intentions of picking this up, but you will see why I did once I open it. So inside is the dust bag. Let me just get the box out of the way. Okay. And let's see. Here she is. Kind of wish we would have gotten a drawstring one, but this one's nice. It's actually pretty big. So inside we have Okay, here we have the beautiful Trunks Miami Neverfull. So she is, oh God, she is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So what they did is basically to me, it's the same Trunks Neverfull, I think. It looks the same to me. However, they've gone ahead and they've got Miami here on this side. And then right over here on this side, it says Louis Vuitton and Miami. And this actually here, this is nice. It's a sewn on sticker. So this is not painted on, or this is an actual sticker. I love it. Super nice. Let me just show you. And so the sides, and then the back is the regular trunks. Now what I'm not sure, and let me look it up so that I can confirm, is if the trunks had the same hot pink up here or if it was a lighter pink. And let me just confirm that. It is different. So the trunks one came with the rose ballerine up here and the rose ballerine right here. And the rose ballerine color right where we have the hot pink. So the difference in the bags is that this one obviously has the hot pink, and then of course it's got Miami, and it's got this beautiful sticker on this side. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so let me just go ahead and look it over. She looks gorgeous. Like I said, I didn't even, my husband was with me yesterday at the store, which he never ever goes. And he was kind of forced into it because he needed to go to actually, you know, make an exchange at another store. So, and he never does that, but it had to do with his Mont Blanc pen, which I know nothing about. So he kind of was forced to go with me. So I didn't want to open anything in front of him. Why am I whispering? Okay, so anyhow, so here she is, and that's the bottom. Let's take a look at the inside. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. Check out the beautiful, beautiful inside of this bag. I love it. It's got like the trunks style pattern in here. Oh, how so pretty. And it comes, of course, with the pouch. Unfortunately, the pouch doesn't say Miami. I wish it kind of did. But let's see. Okay, so inside it's got the textile booklet. Oh, I've got everything here. Let's see. It has the care booklet, the textile card right here, and it also has the, here's the item number, which I will also link down below in case you are interested. Let me unclip this so that I can show you better. Okay, so the inside of the pouch is absolutely gorgeous. Here it is. Let me put on my reading glasses because I can't see. Okay, let's see what it says. And this one says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So this one was made in Spain. Now, so here she is. She looks perfect. Let me just show you the pochette. And then the inside again, just beautiful. I'm looking at the zipper. It does seem to have a little something here. However, it seems to be glue or something. So maybe it had, oh yeah, it's like a little glue. Okay, it's come off. Now it's sticking to my nail. Okay, so it's come off, so that's fine. So there's your little zipper. Let's go back to the bag. She's just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. And then let me show you, look at this. This is just so pretty. Look at this. This is what the, it says Louis Vuitton there on the pocket, Paris, made in Spain. And then this here, oh, so pretty. Very, very pretty. So and then the inside. So it's got the beige interior, but it also has the trunks style interior that you can find like, I think like in the Petite Mall. So anyhow, so those are my 2 items. Absolutely gorgeous and loving them. Like I said, if you're interested, you need to act fast. Now, I believe the Miami one can only be purchased in Miami. And I'll be happy to help you if they have more. I really did not ask, but I'll be happy to find out for you. And then the wallet, the Zoe wallet, that is online showing call for availability. So I would call your SA and see where they're at. But anyhow, thank you for watching the video. I am so excited. If you want, I'll be happy to do a comparison with the Neverfulls that I have. I have 3 of them. They are all MMs, but they are all different designs. And I will be happy to do a comparison of the Zoe wallet and the Victorine wallet, which I also have. So that's it for now. I plan on putting out a couple more videos. Hopefully, I'm trying to catch up for being MIA for 4 weeks, but I wanted to get this one up ASAP so that you have a chance to get the items if you're interested. So have a great Sunday, and I will see you soon.